last time I picked up my camera to film for you guys. Like, December has been a whole lot. Guys, ignore that girl. December has been a whole lot. Like, I've been working and I've not even thought of my camera. Like, I've just been working, running to different client locations and doing studio services and all that. So I'm so sorry, you guys are not in my mind in December because I had a lot to do with the makeup industry. But anyways, guys, it's the last day of 2025 and I'm like, I need to film a video today. I need to pick up my vlog and say this is the last day of 2025 and I'm grateful to God for this year thus far. Like, I've been seeing people do this. Oh, my name is this and I achieved this in 2025. Oh, my name is, and I and my friend Sandra were like, what do we want to even say if we want to do that video? And I told her that, to be fair, we have a whole lot to be grateful for. It might not be achievements to other people, but to us, they're achievements. And guys, yeah, so I am happy for 2025 and I am hopeful for what 2026 has in store for all of us. So guys, I'm going to my last clients for the year and I have 2 clients for today. So I'm headed there right now and I said, come take you guys with me for the last day of 2025 vlog. I'm sure you guys see this video in 2026. So happy new year! So weird that I said bye 2025 in a vlog and I'm still happy new year in the same vlog. But anyways, guys, so we're headed to work. Let me show you guys. I'm with Tammy and Cecilia. I'm not sure if you know Cecilia, but you know Tammy. So I say hi.
Hi, happy new year.
Calm down, I've not even reached your side. Oh yeah, talk.
Happy new year in advance, guys. We're on our way to our last client of the year.
Yeah.
So happy. See you guys in 2026.
Yeah, see you all in 2026. You want to say hi, sir? Are you sure? My man is shy, so let's just pardon him. So anyways, guys, I'll see you guys when I get to my client's place and I'll see you guys in 2026. Bye guys, clack it. I'm ready to our equipment.
You do for men too?
We don't mind. If the money is enticing, we'll do for men.
But why would you not make up to buy eat food?
I do professional makeup every day.
Is that really good?
The one you did for your photo shoot was nice.
Yes.
Simple. She just
The other one was very nice.
Yeah, even a day before the
Good evening, how are you? Thank you so much.
want to call it.
No. Please let me ask Chef if we have foil.
Let me ask Chef if we have foil. Foil.
Get for
It's for you too.
Okay.
Thank you for 2025. With as a wrap.
Yeah.
Thank
A
you.
wrap.
Ooh.
We'll continue next year.
Is this
Yes,
me?
so
Yeah.
beauty by Baller.
Thank you. Ooh, I
Happy
love it.
birthday.
Oh, thank you. See, this is why I cannot leave Bola alone.
So
Thank you so much. Let me get something for you guys. Take away. Oh, this is nice. Ooh.
it's giving.
Feeding pigments.
It's a birthday / New Year 2026. Oh no, 3 hours too. So it's going to be a wrap from Beauty by Baller.
Let me send you this.
Last client of the year.
Yeah, my last client of 2025.
Yes, so
So gorgeous.
looking so gorgeous.
These are so cute.
Mm.
Oh yeah, well, let's start looking for a ride. Please, I'm going to. If you want more,
Goodbye 2025. Clock it.
Clack it. Save it too.
Okay, put the gel. Clock it, clock it. Give them shade.
Okay, let me do one around. Turn around.
It's fine, actually.
Yes, that's what I'm going to say. I don't know.
It's beginning to look like the new year. CEO.
The beads are breaking.
Cecilia. Hi.
This is cute. Just take a look on yours.
Welcome to 2026. What a year!